Welcome back to my channel. It's October already, so it's time for a Halloween fun and spooky stories. Today's movie will be quite short, but it's a scary story in itself. From the artist's point of view, unfortunately my today's victim was a victim from a very beginning because her neck was broken. And nope, I didn't do this to her. Though in the process of transformation, her neck broke 3 more times. I wanted to make a Cheshire cat for you, character from book Alice in Wonderland, although he only appears 3 times in it. He is one of the most recognizable and distinctive characters in the entire book. There is a famous conversation between Alice and the cat, in which the cat tries to prove the girl that she and he are both insane. Have any of you read this book? Or maybe you just watched this movie? Be sure to write me in the comment below the video. I made teeth from my beloved epoxy sculpt. As always, I use watercolor pencils to draw face. I made her hair from acrylic yarn. I sewed the dress by hand, directly on her.